Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I found the new MiniVerse Create Master Chef dishes, the around the world ones, dishes of the world. Found these at Walmart. These capsules are so heavy, like heavy. So let's get them open and see what I found. While you wait for me to open these, do me a favor. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so you receive all notifications. And do me a favor, leave a thumbs up. And tell me, have you found these in the wild? Which one do you want? I don't even know what all there is. I know there's tacos. But yeah, let's get them open. Okay, let's see what we got. Seriously, I know nothing about these. That's a light. I know that. Is there no collector's guide? There's the light. No waste. There's this thing. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Light instructions. It's the one I wanted. Yes, that's the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because of the container. Maybe it's not. Yeah. Yes. I love this. I love this, but I thought it was gold all the way around. There's its plate. Oh, that's the, like, seriously, I've seen this one, and it's the one I really wanted. That really makes me happy. Happy. You're happy. Table thing. What is this? Oh, look at the berries. Huh. Get off of there. So we got raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and like some mint. And I'm sorry, I am trying to rush. My husband will be pulling in the driveway any minute. The dogs are going to bark and I'm going to be mad. Tweezers. This is a MiniVerse spatula, fork, and a knife. And let's see what's in here. Little nozzles. And this is a fruit sauce glue. And of course the cream glue, the piping icing. So that is wonderful. I'm so excited. I wanted this one so bad. I mean, it's so bad. So what is there? Tacos from Mexico. Sushi in Japan. US gets pancakes. Brazil gets a acai bowl. India gets buttered chicken and naan. I'd like that. Spain gets churros. China gets Peking duck. Australia is the pavlova. South Africa is, I'm not even going to butcher that word. Italy is a cannoli. That would be cute. And the super rare is Thailand Tom Yum Kung. That looks wicked cool. Okay. Of course, we would like that super rare. But yeah, let's see what we got. Another light. I just feel like they're so wasteful with those, just like the magnifying glasses. Alright, what is this? Oh, some kind of bento sushi looking box. Some cucumbers and green onions. Oh, it's the duck. The Peking duck. Ew. No, you didn't, Mini Brands. That's, that ain't even cool at all. This thing. That's kind of yuck. No, I don't want this one. It's this. What is this? You guys, tell me what that is, please. Then there's some sliced duck. Duck goose. Then there's the hoisin sauce glue and nozzle. There's its bladder. Oh, that's a cool big brush. There's this little table thing, some tongs. They're chopsticks, which are, of course, glued together. So I use the MiniVerse ones. Here's a little measuring cup or dip cup. And there's a, I don't know, chopstick thing. Maybe you rest your chopsticks on that. I don't know. And this is for the itty bitty table. Right there. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Okay. What is that black little thing? Where are those? Are they in here? Oh, they are. The little wraps, and they have like a little thing on them to protect them. You pull it off. Okay, so those are in there. I thought it was just the bottom. I'm trying to see what you do with that little black thing. Yep. You rest your chopsticks on it. Alright, you guys. So is that matte thing, is that just like literally just to, I guess you sit that on that? But what is this? What do you do with this? I don't understand. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Do me a favor, like this video, leave me a comment. Are there one of these that you're looking for? I'm not impressed with the duck. It kind of weirded and grossed me out. So, yeah, we'll see. Anyway, thanks you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye!